Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel travelers' renters insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your travelers' renters insurance, start by gathering your policy information. Locate your policy number, which is typically found on your insurance documents. Have your personal identification ready, such as your driver's license or social security number. Visit the travelers' insurance website or call their customer service line. If using the website, log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the section labeled Policy Management or Account Settings. Look for options related to canceling your policy. If calling customer service, dial their toll-free number and follow the prompts. When connected, explain that you wish to cancel your renter's insurance. Be prepared to provide your policy number and personal information for verification. Ask for confirmation detailing any potential refunds or remaining balances. Note the name of the representative assisting you, along with the date and time of your cancellation. After cancellation, check your email or account for a confirmation notice. Review the notice to ensure all information is accurate. If you are eligible for a refund, inquire about the timeline for processing. Keep records of all correspondence in case of future inquiries. Follow up if you do not receive confirmation within a reasonable time frame. That's how to effectively cancel your traveler's renter's insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.